Hi everyone, Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 14-5 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 14-5 work together. In the last video, I read over the 14-5 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 14-5 work together, where we will be planning and recording adjustments for depreciation. So the instructions say, use the worksheet from Work Together 14-4. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1. Calculate the depreciation expense for a computer printer having an original cost of $1,600, an estimated salvage value of $100, and an estimated useful life of 5 years. Number 2. Calculate the book value of the computer printer at the end of its second year of service. And number 3. On December 31st, Coastal Aquatics determined the total depreciation expense of office equipment to be $6,120 and store equipment to be $5,060. Plan the worksheet adjustments and label the adjustments F and G and save your work to complete Work Together 14-6. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 14-5 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 14-5 work together, in which we will be planning and recording adjustments for depreciation. Alright, so that is the end of the 14-5 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 14-6 text. Okay, thank you.